just finished filming a beauty unboxing, so I have this red lipstick on that I really don't care for from my box that I just unboxed, and I don't have any wipes outside to wipe it off, so I apologize for that. My name is Robin, and this is your closet, or your closet. This is my closet. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video. Thumbs up if you like it. If you just subscribed or you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty. We're still in the month of August, so please don't forget to check out my giveaway video. I will link it above and I will link it below. So today I am unbagging my Bolzano handbag. I got the subscription last year for, I don't know, like 3 months. And then of course I had no more room for bags. And then I've been watching everybody's unbaggings and thought I could use a couple bags up here in Washington. So I ordered it again. I did order the, I don't know, you can get just the bag, and I think I want to say it's like $29. Then you can get like the bag and accessories, and it's like 30 something dollars. And then you can get the bag, the accessories, and then it's got like makeup and other things, and I want to say that was like 40 something dollars. But of course I will leave the link below. You can check it out. You can get a discount. So let's get into it. And I brought my scissors, which is something I normally don't do, but I figured I'm filming a couple videos outside, and it was one thing that I remembered. Now they come in their own little dust bag. So they come in this annoying outer plastic thing. And let's make sure nothing's in there. And then they come in this beautiful dust bag. And, excuse me, why I dropped everything. Okay. I don't know what the bag is. Everybody usually gets different bags because you fill out a questionnaire. Excuse me, now my nose is itching. You fill out a questionnaire if you like big, if you like small, if you like gold, if you like silver, what colors you like, what colors you don't like. This one is a black bag, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Oh my God, look at this bag. What's nice about it, it's got like this leather or leather-like with this buckle, but the outer is like material. So if you spill something on it, if you wipe something on it, it could come off. So it's like a rose gold color. Oh, I'm like so excited. It might even be a backpack. I am not sure. I'm just like so excited. So this looks like it could be an accessory, and they do put a lot of scarves in their bags. And then of course is the big pillow that filled it. Oh dear. Sorry about that. When you film outside, you got to kind of go with the wind. When the wind decides it's going to come and blow everything all over, nothing you can do about it. So I'm sorry. So this is the bag. And I'm absolutely loving this. I don't know if you can see that or not. And then it's the strap. So it's not a backpack, but this is perfect. And it's got a cute little key. I am just like so excited because I can use this right now. And then it's got the back pocket. And it kind of goes on as a shoulder. And there's a goodie inside. So let's take those out. And then it's got a zipper compartment in here. This is just like the perfect bag. As I said, what's nice is if I drop it on the dirt out here, I can just wipe it off. But it has the clasp of the leather up here. So this is going to get a 10 cactus for the purse itself. Then there's goodies everywhere. Everywhere I go, there's goodies. Then there's this box. I'm going to take that out so that I could put this beautiful bag back in the dust cover. Okay, so this was in there. And I'm thinking it might be like a scarf or something because it's soft and it's beautiful. And I'm going to throw the wrappings. Can you see that? How beautiful is this scarf? It's exactly my colors. I will probably not wear it because I cannot tie a scarf to save my life. But I just want you to see the colors of this scarf. So this is very pretty. I might even wrap it around my handbag. So that was one of the accessories. Then the other are these pretty rose gold earrings, and I will not be wearing them because they're the type of earring, if you can see, it goes through your ear, and I can't wear those. But they're very pretty, and they would definitely be a great gift or giveaway. Okay, and then the next thing says Bolzano on there. And what do you say? They're sunglasses. I've been getting a lot of sunglasses. Oops, and they are, and I think, did I get a pair like this from Luxury Divas? I think they were very similar to these. Sorry, I'm just taking it out of the wrapping. Boy, they wrap them good. And it's got the Bolzano on the side. What do you think? I got the sunglasses, I got the scarf. What do you think? So definitely nice accessories, and they usually send you 3 accessories, but it's been quite a while since I've had it. So again, to get sunglasses, to get earrings, yeah, so we got 3, duh. Earrings, sunglasses, and the scarf. And the bag, that is around $33. And then I said I upgraded it, and it looks like we got another little dust bag here. How fun is this? And it's got a box of goodies. It's like your birthday every day. And in the box of goodies, I cannot wait to see. I have watched people unbag them. I have not seen that bag before. And I don't know if I've seen the sunglasses or this beautiful scarf, because everybody just gets different stuff. And not sure what this is. It's soft. It looks like a towel. Oh, it's a head wrap for after you wash your hair. And as you know, I'm doing my masks next week, and one of my masks is a hair mask. So this will be perfect to put on after my hair mask. I do not have one of these. With all the subscription boxes I get, I do not have a head towel. So I'm really excited about that. Then there's some makeup items in here. The birds are just kind of looking at me like, what is she doing? So we've got, they're probably lip glosses, and I don't know what color this is. Let's see. I don't see the color, but because I don't like the color that I'm wearing, I'm gonna see, oh boy, they package these up. That lightens it, but this smells like candy. Do you know, I'm sure some of you do, those little sheets that you can get with the dots on them, and you have to peel off the dots, the candy. That's what this smells like, are those dots. And I'm not going to open this one. It's a pretty brown color. And then the last thing is hand cream by, I can never pronounce it, Lactane. I know there's stores, there's makeup, so this isn't cheap. Now, to get this, the 2 lipsticks and that head towel were an extra $10. Is that worth it? I think so, because I like both the lipsticks. We can always use some hand cream, and I don't have one of those head towels. And of course, I just spilled the hand cream all over, but it doesn't fall, and it smells like flowers. So just to recap, I got that beautiful black bag that I am going to start using, the sunglasses, the earrings, the scarf, 2 lipsticks or lip glosses, the hand cream, and the head towel, and it was like $43 shipped. So I give it a 10 cactus. I thought it was well worth it. It's a fun box. It's transitioning into the fall, which we're getting up here in Washington. So give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of this subscription. And as always, you guys have an awesome day. And don't forget to subscribe and check out my contests. Bye-bye.